Hey guys, Barefoot on Bricks here, and we've got a quick video for you today. Now Lego have just released the official Lego designer video for the Lego set 21327, the typewriter, and you can find a link in the description box for you to check out. Now whilst we were pretty excited for this set, having now seen the video, it is mighty impressive to see just how much functionality they have incorporated. From a working set of 31 keys to the cartridge moving as well as a paper feeder. So even if you're not a fan of the actual model, it is definitely worth a watch purely for this. Now the 2079 piece set will be available for VIP members from June the 16th and worldwide from July the 1st, and will retail for £179. We did predict a July release, so do we get half a point for that? Maybe? No? Alright then. In that case, take care, stay safe, and most importantly, have fun.